with continuing coverage about a chemical spill at the Effingham County DRT plant that happened in late September, unleashing an odor that some in the community say is making them sick. More than a month later, multiple health agencies are getting involved. WSCV's Kaylee Fetko explains.
A rancid smell in this Effingham County neighborhood so pungent that some residents tell me their children are even starting to notice. They also tell me they believe it's causing their neighbors to be sick. They voiced their concerns to multiple health agencies who are now taking action.
It's been quite a while, off and on, but it's been pretty heavy in the last month or so, I would say. Enough that there's oftentimes you wouldn't want to step outside.
Just over a month ago, a chemical spill happened at the DRT plant. Some residents of the nearby Cobbleton neighborhood telling me it's unleashed a turpentine odor that is unbearable. According to them, the odor is nothing new. In fact, it's been around for 2 years, but it's become worse after the spill.
Just about at least once a day, you can smell it in this neighborhood, and driving down the road just about every day you can smell it at some point during the day.
The Environmental Protection Division now getting involved after some people living near the plant say the odor is making them and their neighbors sick. In a release, the EPD says air samples were taken 2 days after the spill on September 26th at the DRT, and initial readings indicate the air, quote, was not cause for concern. They also say they have received complaints alleging the odors are causing people in the community to be sick and that they are continuing to investigate. Josh Corley tells me he is not confident anything is going to change.
Every time, the smell gets in the neighborhood, they call, complain, that we're told something's being done, but here we are 2 years later and it's worse now than it was a year ago.
The Coastal Health Division also taking action, instructing people to report any sickness related to the spill. Jim Crockett telling me he's heard his neighbors complain of suffering from flu-like symptoms they believe are related to the spill, and just wants the odor to go away for his safety and that of his neighbors.
I'd like to see the smell disappear, especially in the evening hours and the morning hours when it's really, really heavy. It's enough that it'll drive you back into the house.
No one I've spoke with today has told me that they've reached out to the health district directly with personal health problems, but some tell me if the problem persists, they are going to. Reporting in Rincon, Kaylee Fetko, WSAV News 3 on your side.